Today, Pakistan is proudly but humbly, playing a sincere role as mediator between the United States and Iran. We are grateful for the trust reposed in Pakistan by both these countries. Here, I would like to especially acknowledge and appreciate the untiring efforts of Field Marshal Sayyid Asim Munir in advancing Pakistan's sincere efforts for regional peace and stability. As I speak, these efforts continue with the support of Iran and the United States, and let's hope and pray to Allah Almighty that we achieve long-lasting peace as early as possible. Last week, Deputy Prime Minister Ishaq Dar and Secretary of State Marco Rubio had an excellent meeting in Washington where they discussed bilateral as well as regional cooperation. Ladies and gentlemen, in conclusion, as we celebrate 2.5 centuries of America's remarkable history, culture, and innovation, I once again extend our heartfelt congratulations to President Trump, the people of the United States, and you and your colleagues on this wonderful evening. Ladies and gentlemen, this speech will be incomplete if I did not say this. Let me say, Shahid Rayafir, Natalie Baker, you have been an excellent representative of the United States in Pakistan. Through your energetic, passionate, and sincere engagement, and this is not lip service, these words are coming from the core of my heart, and active diplomacy, you have helped bring our two countries even closer together. I also wish to commend the dedicated team at the US Embassy and its consulates across Pakistan, whose tireless efforts continue to strengthen and deepen the enduring partnership between Pakistan and the United States, which is already achieving new heights. May the friendship between our two great nations continue to flourish in the years ahead, and may the stars that shine on the flags of our two nations continue to illuminate a future of peace, progress, and shared prosperity for our peoples. Thank you. Long live Pakistan-United States friendship.